going to work on another small one because I do want you to do a couple of experimentations with them because we're actually going to use all of those eventually. So I'm just going to make a straight line and blend this out. Because we will be adding in on the small pieces different inspirational sayings. And we will be using the black permanent marker for that. And some of the inspirational sayings, they are located in Schoology if you'd like to see some of them. Or you can come up with your own. We are actually going to be practicing a little bit with the calligraphy also. I have added some of the calligraphy YouTube videos into a playlist so that you can actually practice. And this one I'm going to come back in on the opposite side with some dark. So definite ombre, I refer to it literally as value of light to dark because watercolor is supposed to be translucent. All right, so that one is done for now. Hi, here is the second one that I had started for you, which it was obviously just a straight line but going diagonal with the dark green on each side with the wash here and then the blue in here. I'm actually not going to do too much more to this because I eventually want to do some text on it, and I'm thinking this nice open area here might actually work very nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull out one of my plastic boards that I have here. I'm just going to use it as a little bit of a guideline. And I'm not going to make it perfectly straight because whenever you try to make everything totally straight and perfect, usually does not end up being the best. I'm going to add more of a green to this one since I used so much blue in the last one. Well, you kind of got a mirror effect there out of that. Very cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in one line because that's all I need is that starting line. I'm going to go ahead and push and pull depending on which way you're going with the green. And again, it should look like it's translucent as I'm coming over. We need to get some clean water here. I'm going to come over here. This is one of my blotting ones from yesterday that's actually dry. I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to blot a little bit of that out because I don't need it to be that heavy. And that's actually all I'm going to do for that one. That one is ready.